alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope that you all will be well. Dear brothers and sisters, my name is Muhammad Faisal. I was born in Muzaffargarh and now recently I am living in Lahore. I am a distinguished Arabic and Qur'an tutor with extensive expertise in the teaching of Arabic language and deep understanding of the Quran with an inspiring demeanor and effective teaching style. I offer a unique learning experience to students, striving to convey a deep understanding of the Quranic texts. My unwavering commitment to guiding and motivating students transforms me in trusting mentor, fostering linguistic and spiritual growth. Explore the realm of the Arabic language and understanding the Quran under my guidance, opening the door and developing your talents and skills, and exploring the riches of the language and faith. Take the first step towards profound connection with the Quran and Arabic, and book your first